Thunder Knob Trail starts at Site 9, and there are cones where you can see Scott standing, and there's signs all the way at the beginning for sure, so it's really easy. Come on, Janae. As is in the title, dogs are allowed. Very few places in national parks, and that includes this one, North Cascades, that allow dogs on trails, but there's just a couple of trails. They're still mostly not allowed. I think the Ross Lake Recreational Area also allows dogs. This is a 1.5 mile one way, so about 3 miles round trip, and I say about because I think it's not exactly 1.5. Hear water already. Okay, let's go. It's about 9 a.m. and I think it's in the low 60s. This is August 6th. Ah, here's the water. Woo! One at a time on the bridge. Look at that. Enjoy that for a moment. Handle move, the whole bridge bounces when you walk on it. And I'm carrying the dog because she gets so skittish. She's living her best life. And we're going up a hill. You got stuff in your head and your tail. This would be a great hike with kids too, family. Because it's a little bit of a challenge enough to tire them out. Not even to the top yet. Some places are more rocky than others. It would be better to have non-slip shoes. Oh, another switchback. Hey, Scott. Did Daddy bring something for you? A little bit of jerky. She's like, where's the rest of it? Did you like the hike, Shania? I want more jerky. More jerky, please. Oh, that's so good. Thank you.